Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable Vibrate on Ring on iPhone running iOS version 14.1. So this is my iPhone device, so let's start. So first of all you have to open your settings app. So here is my settings app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and also guys let me show you first that I have iOS version 14.1 installed on this iPhone. So let me tap on this general, and then let me tap on this about, and you can see guys here I have this software version. You can see I have iOS version 14.1 installed on this iPhone XR. So let me go back again. Okay, so in order to enable or disable Vibrate on Ring on iPhone, what you need to do, you have to open your settings app, and after that you have to tap on this sounds and haptics, and after that guys you have to come to this Vibrate section, and you can see here we have this Vibrate on Ring. So you can see guys here we have this toggle disabled next to this Vibrate on Ring. So whenever you want to enable that, you have to tap on this toggle and move this slider to the right. So let me tap on this, and you can see it's now enabled. And suppose guys if you want to disable this, then you have to tap on this toggle next to this Vibrate on Ring and move this slider to the left. So let me show you. I'm tapping on it, and you can see it's now disabled, but I want to enable that. So let me tap on this toggle, and you can see it's now enabled. After that you can close your settings app. So let me close that. So that's it guys. In this way you can easily enable or disable Vibrate on Ring on iPhone running iOS version 14.1. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.